Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make quotes video on CapCut for Instagram Reels. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone. And first of all, we can create a new project in our CapCut application. We can click on new project and we have to import video as the background for the quotes video. And if you don't have any footage to be edited, I suggest you to open the stock videos in CapCut. And here I'm just going to pick random video. I suggest you to select a portrait video because it will be suitable for Instagram Reel. But actually you can also select landscape video and we can transform it into portrait video. And I'm just going to select this one, guys. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the video has been downloaded. And after the video has been downloaded, we'll be able to add this video to our CapCut project. Okay, we can click on add. Then now the video has been added to our CapCut project, and I'm going to use this video for my background for the quotes video. Then we can click on text, but before it, guys, we have to adjust the aspect ratio. Make sure that you select this one. This is the ratio for Instagram Reel. Okay, then click on text to add the quotes to our video and click on add text. And here I'm just going to add random text. For example, I'm just going to add let's be better. Then we're going to change the font. Click on the font option. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then we can zoom in like this. You can also do styling for your quotes. You can click on style, and here you can choose the style as you want, but I'm just going to select this one. Then we can click on this check mark and we can make it align with the video. Wait, okay, and now to make our quotes video more captivating, we can add music. Click on audio and click on sounds, and I'm just going to add music from the CapCut. I'm going to select the healing category. Then for instance, I'm going to choose this one, this beautiful day sound. Okay, just wait and click on this plus button to add this music to our quotes video. Okay, now it's done, and we can play the video to take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create quotes video on CapCut for Instagram Reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.